Try ni Lima May. Siya ang ating taster. Get one.
So hot.
Let's see if the bread is soft or hard. Look at that. Open. So hot.
Open inside.
I want to see. Wow, like this.
Wow. So hot. So hot.
Yay! May pang coffee breakfast na tayo. Malambot siya in fairness. Gagawa ko ng condensed milk bread. Ay, milk bread. Oh, sitaw ito.
Why not make mine?
After, me first. This will be our second batch. 40 grams each bowls. So ito yung toppings natin. Condensed milk na may butter. Butter, no, margarine. Wala kasing butter.
Finish.
Ito naman kay Liwame. Bread ni Liwame. Lipuntan ko pala lagyan ng milk sa taas or egg yolk. Wala ka nakita yung egg yolk. Ay, okay na yan. Let's try put some sugar on top. Ang lambot niya. In fairness, look at that. Insay ma, na resulta ni.
Inside put.
Wow, look at that. Pwede na magbenta.
Inside put the egg and then
Good? Oh, wow. Nice. Second batch. Done. Ito yung kaliwang. Ang liliit. Last batch na tayo.